Hello and welcome to week 11 of Educational Psychology and Human Development. Last week you completed your activity 2, the Keirsey sorter, to determine your personality and talk about how that might benefit you in your careers or your jobs as a teacher one day. So I appreciated hearing all about that. If you haven't yet submitted it, you have an opportunity to do so for points off, so just be sure to get that in as soon as you're able. So this week is officially our Easter week, and campus is technically closed on Thursday and Friday, which I know is a little bit different this year, but I had planned just a lighter assignment since we only have 3 technical days of school. So I'll be checking my email a couple of times over the 4 days, but I too will be taking a much needed break from things just to spend some time with my husband and kids with a break from all of our school activities. So this week, hopefully you're able to complete the assignment relatively quickly. But it will be to complete the suicide prevention training. So similar to the substance abuse training, you will be going to a link to complete the training, which is posted here. Just read through this information and the training, and then you will upload your certificate once again into TK20 like you did for the substance abuse training, and that'll be available for you here in the week 11 folder. So this should be an easy 100. It's only worth a couple % of your grade, but it will definitely improve your grade regardless. So, and it is something, if you are an education major, those of you enrolled in the Ed Psych section, it's required for you to complete the course. So be sure to work on that. That's the only thing that you have to do this week. I hope that you have a much needed break for a couple of days, and let me know, post in the class discussion board if you have any questions. Thank you.